Breaking down on the stand today, Hope Hicks, the former White House communications director for Donald Trump, testified today in her former boss's criminal hush money trial. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor once again was in the courtroom.
Hope Hicks got emotional as soon as the defense asked her on cross about her employment with the Trump Organization. A brief break was taken. Prior to that, Hicks told prosecutors that after a November 2016 article came out about a hush money payment to Playboy model Karen McDougal and an allegation about Trump having a prior relationship with adult film star Stormy Daniels, Mr. Trump was concerned about how it would be viewed by his wife, and he wanted me to make sure the newspapers weren't delivered to their residence that morning. In 2018, an article came out about a payment to Daniels. Hicks testified that then President Trump told her about a conversation he'd had with his then personal attorney Michael Cohen after Cohen had told another outlet he paid Daniels $130,000 out of his own pocket. Trump, she says, told her Cohen said he felt like it was his job to protect him, and that's what he was doing, and he did it out of the kindness of his own heart, and he never told anybody about it. Hicks, though, testified that would be out of character for Michael. I didn't know Michael to be an especially charitable person or a selfless person. Trump has pleaded not guilty to 34 felony counts of falsifying business records related to the payment to Daniels. Prosecutors allege that this was a hush money payment. It was a reimbursement to Michael Cohen, his then personal attorney, who put up the money. But he says it was written down as legal fees, and that's what they were. He also denies both affairs, Maurice.
Alice, you were there in the courtroom once again. What was the former president doing while Hicks testified?
Well, when she walked into the room and walked to the witness stand, he looked at Hope Hicks, but there was no expression on his face. When prosecutors were questioning her, he just had his eyes closed most of the time. She got emotional on the stand, but he had no visible reaction. A far cry from what we saw last week when his former executive assistant, Rona Graff, took the stand. He had such warmth about him and tried to get up and shake her hand. That was not the case today, Maurice.
Okay, Alice Gaynor, we'll be back at it once again next week. Thank you.